Ladies and gentlemen, that is the class. We are underway on the rail. Park trot, please. On the rail, park trot. Animated walk, please. Animated walk, please. Reverse, continue to show at the animated walk, please. Reverse, continue to show at the animated walk. Sponsored by Classic Cadillac, Mike Domencion. Park trot, please. Park trot, please. And bring them right on in and line them up, if you will, please. Right in and lined up. Sponsored by Classic Cadillac, Mike Domenicone. In and lined up, please. This evening, taking home the Jay Holloman Perpetual Memorial Trophy, donated by the Friends of Jay Holloman, and the Tommy Yates Perpetual Memorial Trophy, donated by the Southeastern Charity Horse Show Board of Directors, and the Barbara Jean Key Perpetual Memorial Trophy, donated by her daughters, Miff, Vicky, and Mary Jean, and Elizabeth. It will be Aldemar's Crystal Pistol. Owner exhibitor Janet Kellett of Atlanta, Georgia, to the winner's circle, please. Aldemar's Crystal Pistol. Joining Kelly Critters and Debbie Smetana in the winner's circle. Ladies and gentlemen, taking home the Jay Holloman Perpetual Memorial Trophy, the Tommy Yates Perpetual Memorial Trophy, and the Barbara Jean Key Perpetual Memorial Trophy, it is Aldemar's Crystal Pistol. Put your hands together for owner exhibitor Janet Kellett. Pretty in Blue, Amateur Fine Harness.